Hello YouTube, I'm A7III from YouTube and I'm back in another video. So in this video I'm going to prove Matti Haapoja wrong. Well, I would say that he is wrong because the A7III is not a bad camera at all. It has 693 phase detection autofocus points. Then how can this autofocus be bad? He may be using the wrong lenses, or maybe there's an issue with his camera, because 90% or maybe more than 90% of the people are amazed with the autofocus of this camera, and the camera does really good job in video. You know, when I saw the video how it was hunting for focus, you know, at that spot, I just said, man, this cannot be the A7III. I have never seen a camera 100 times worse than the A7III hunting like that for the focus. You know, you cannot call that the A7III because, you know, I have never seen anything like that. He is right. He should hate the camera because this is not what it delivers. This is completely misunderstanding. I advise him to use right lenses and use the right camera. Maybe there is an issue with his camera, because the A7III does a really great job in autofocusing. Even though the Canon uses dual pixel autofocus, this doesn't use dual pixel, but the speed it delivers is almost the same. We know that the A7III does a really good job in autofocusing, but we also have seen the A6500. Seeing its autofocus, you know, we are impressed. Then how can the A7III be bad than the A6500? So if you go and research and see the Sigma lenses, you know, they were really bad at autofocusing and Sony cameras, because the lenses that they made for the Sony E-mount used to only use the center focus point. Even if you take it to a worse lighting condition than that, it can focus really great. That's why I do not believe this cannot be the A7III. Well, my advice for any user who want to buy the A7III is that this is completely misunderstanding. If you want to buy the A7III, go ahead and buy it, because this is not the, you know, real A7III. You can even check one that is unboxed. Maybe it's with your friend or maybe with someone else. Give it a try, check it by yourself. It's not like this, okay? So there can be a fault with his camera or his lens, but I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.